Game 25 of the week. That is probably the 5th time I've gotten 6 on the fill.
Well, I got 9, so.
I try a new ball on a fill and that looks like shit.
You can't say that on YouTube. Yeah.
Throwing
You
it
gotta
like
beep that out. Throw
slur.
like a beep.
Yeah, like that.
Brandon, your window down lane is going to be small, but it's got to be that 5-6 area.
You feel like I'm a zone too far in?
You might be a pinch seat. You look like you're trying to open it up. Okay?
Well, I'm trying to open it up because I don't want to grab it because I'm grabbing it. I got 5 twice.
I get it. But did they hook
I
throw you
get
down
6
there?
to the left.
Yeah, but that one was airmailed.
Couch.
You learned that from couch.
Good thing you're standing right here.
I'll throw up if you say that.
You should. Well, we're in Game 7. Obviously, the last 2 games have not been very productive for Brandon. It seems like every time he misses, this ball breaks loose from the lane and goes through the nose. So he's trying to counteract it or stop that. I suggested a little bit of loft, because Brandon can loft the ball pretty good. And Brandon said he really didn't want to do that right now. He felt like he'd go to a low flare ball. So he went to the Scorpion low flare. That's what he's using right now. So far, it looks great.
What place is he? What's he going?
Fell down to 24th. So it's kind of, your back is to the wall, but there's some gaps in there. When I say there's gaps, the only way to help yourself is throwing strikes. And he's definitely doing that right now.